Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. These videos are going to be as short as I can possibly make them. If you have any questions whatsoever, please go watch the long version, the longest version of these videos. Some of these are going to have short versions, or long versions, short versions, and now even shorter versions. So, but if you need more information, go find the other video on that. If this says shorter version or condensed version or something like that, go find the long version if you have some questions. Alright, without further ado, let's get to it. In order to combat the leaks here, I went out and bought some stuff. And what I have here is a 3/8 inch MIP by 1/4 inch FIP fitting. Not sure what the MIB and FIB is, but I'm assuming that might be thread pitch or something like that. But regardless, that right there, went to Home Depot, got that, and that will thread up into here. And it's the right threads, right pitch, everything seems to be the same as what's on the bottom of one of those sediment bowls. And then I grabbed this. It is a 3/8 inch MIP by 1/4 inch FIP nipple piece here. Now, I will say, I wish I had bought the one, I think there was one that went down and over, but they were just out of everything, so this is what I ended up with. Had I gone with the other one that would have allowed it to shoot back, it might have been a little easier to hook this to it, but regardless, I'm hooking more stuff to this anyway. And I'm not just going to thread it in there, I'm going to put some more of that what I put on the bottom of this stuff, the aviation forma gasket sealant liquid stuff. That's what I'm going to use on there, same as I did on the bowl to begin with when I was trying to get the leaks down. And this is where I kind of turn a corner of, I'm not sure if this is all going to work, but I got some of this laying around. Fuel line for, I did a snowblower video, still haven't got that out actually. Still kind of working on the end of that one. And I'm going to put that on there. That should fit. And then I'm going to go ahead and just put an inline shut-off valve. I'm going to try and find something better than this, but honestly, yet again, it was difficult to find this. I went to like 3 different stores before I finally got one. And then after that, I'm going to put this, yet again, not sure if that's going to be big enough. But that's my curiosity, is if this will flow enough fuel to actually feed the carburetor well enough. There you go. We got that all put together. I put a hose clamp on the hard line there, but the rest of them, I had to heat them up just to get them on, and when they cool down, they're gonna cinch tight. In fact, I made this one, I had to cut this one off again and do it all over, and I couldn't get it off of here. I had to like cut it out and cut a chunk off of it. It was very difficult. So. And this is where I say, if you do anything I do and you hurt yourself or mess up your equipment, I'm not responsible. If you don't like the way I'm doing something, don't do it. And it is up to you to do your homework, and you are responsible for your own safety. Well, it's time to put some fuel on this thing, and the first thing I'm going to do is put some of this lead substitute in here. I have it cracked open. I have it filled with some gas, or fuel, for those of you who whine. She's all seeming to be holding it where it's supposed to be held. And it did seem to flow well. When I opened it up, it went right down into that filter and filled it up. So hopefully everything's working okay, and hopefully I've gotten rid of all the leaks. Yet again, time will tell. So if later on, before I put this video up, if I have any problems, I'll come back. Otherwise, I think I'm going to call this a video for now, and later on in the future you'll see this tractor. If I have any problems or anything happens, I'll do a video on it. So, well, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.